Hey, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to another one. Oh man, surprised me a bit, yeah. Suddenly, just slowly starting the stream. I think that's his way of telling me we've got to get going, yeah, Chad. Chris, how you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling good. Friday. Let's see if we can end this week off strong. Just check. Give us a little bit more in our ears.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, exciting news. We just shot the first podcast, starting the podcast series up again. So you guys could definitely keep a lookout for that in the coming week or so. But yeah, the podcast series going to be starting up very, very soon again. So exciting stuff there. Chris, what were your thoughts on it, bro?
I think it was good. Like I said, I don't really know too much about him. You obviously know quite a bit about him, so I think it's going to be good. Obviously, uh, young and upcoming trader in the industry, so I think the guys are going to enjoy it. I think it's going to
Yeah.
be good getting. I actually want to get his dad on as well. His dad is has been a radio presenter on one of the biggest radio stations in the Eastern Cape, and also in business. And his mom is a state agent as well. So I'm thinking of getting Selwyn on his dad as well. I think that could
Yeah.
also be dope.
Nah, definitely, definitely. But yeah, guys, markets are coming alive as we are sitting here right now. So definitely think New York session is going to be a good one. As we said, we expected volume to come in here at the end of the week, and that is exactly what we're getting. So yeah, guys, before we get into the good stuff, as always, Chris, you're going to open us up with some prayer.
Oh, well, Chad, let's get this prayer going. Father, we just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for blessing us with the opportunity. Thank you for this amazing community. And Father, we just pray that you will lead Keegan and that you will help us to end off this week strong. And thank you for guiding us through this week, another beautiful week coming to an end. And then also go with us as we go part our separate ways. Everyone bring us all back safely on Monday. Pray a hedge of protection around our families, our friends, our businesses, our homes, and that everything we do, Father, that it will be blessed and it will bring glory to your name. And we pray this and we ask this in the mighty name of Jesus. And if you believe it, you can just drop an amen now in the chat.
Amen. All right, guys, there we have it. Time to get going there. Again, the good stuff. So as always, guys, let's start off with some little fundamental chats. Honestly, not too much to look out for. We're just going to see naturally again. Chris and myself spoke about it, but in London session, just seeing the results of that CPI. This is what we wanted. Unfortunately, we didn't see it on CPI day, but coming through on the last 2 days. So we're going to see the continuation, but we do have a little bit of data coming out here. That prelim consumer sentiment and inflation expectations coming out at 4 o'clock. It might give us something, but I think we're going to still see the rather continuation outcome of those CPI numbers and even the PPI numbers yesterday. So yeah, getting into the guys, what are we looking at? So very, very simple. DXY, we spoke about this morning. It basically approached you guys weekly pivot. What we were going to be looking for, yeah, quite frankly, was again that understanding we had the gap down. Let me just move that there. We had the gap down and then holding Asia lows, trading back up Asia highs, but holding that weekly pivot. We needed to first get back above that previous daily low. If we could get above that, we were going to go test that 100, 900, and possibly obviously the start of that gap. But if we failed over here, we knew we were going to be going back down, breaking down, taking Asia lows, coming back up, retesting the daily S1, and looking to go bearish again after that. Again, when we start looking here, guys, on the daily, we are still in the bearish. We are definitely still bearish. But you have to understand it's a Friday. Friday, we like to see some pullbacks. We might get some big expensive plays, then see that pullback. But also the fact that it is a Friday on a weekly candle, you now have a massive move. You are going to see a bit of a push and then pullbacks, as we say, to see that little bottom wick start to stick out. But end of the day, we are still in this range. So not really breaking out of that yet, but we are bearish. Going into the indices side of things, guys, NASDAQ, you will know we have been bullish on it, but again, just not really been trading it lately, if I'm honest with you. I just truly am enjoying USD a lot more, but we can see the clean plays over here, bullish, holding above that weekly R1, the little slight fake out, holding that 200, then going bullish again. The fact where we are now, I still think, guys, we are going back for this level of resistance, major levels here. So again, we can just see that potential fake out, so just keep your eyes out for that. We are trading here again, same thing, holding these Asia highs and previous daily highs, as we can see there, but now trading bearish, again, holding those highs, coming back down for that retest of Asia lows, but again, holding that. If we continue to hold this, we are going bullish to take out these equal highs over here and see them move to the top side. Otherwise, if we do break under Asia lows, hold under Asia lows, good chance we can at least have that pullback down to the daily pivot EQ before we go bullish after that. So just keep a lookout for that one. US 30, we said that the guys pretty much going to be bullish if we couldn't. The major thing was we had to get basically under Asia lows. If you guys were here this morning, I think it was Farbs asked me about the grubber, and I said the key thing with the grubber here, you have to break Asia lows. If you do not break those Asia lows, this thing's going to turn around. And as you can see, Asia lows held, Asia lows held, Asia lows held, and then once we held the weekly R1, this is where this thing just went to town. So again, big thing I must say, I really like the buys. We're going to talk very shortly about what the firecracker is looking for, but I like the buys purely because you guys will see over here, this was also when we had that massive bearish candle breaking out of this range. Now we are bullish, we're holding these levels, we've found strength at the weekly R1. So again, probability tells me we're going back to the highs of this range, and again, obviously going for the full of this clear range, no traffic, so we can just get a move on here. So I would really like to catch some buys here. If we do, hey guys, it's the end of the week, we're going to see if we can maybe get a bit of a monster trade here today and see what we can bring home. But then lastly, over to gold. Now I think for me guys, we are back at all-time highs, so quite an interesting one. As I said guys, I keep the all-time highs here just until obviously the end of the week. From next week I'll officially move it to the new ones. That's just how I kind of do, because this can always be an area of a retest for now. But obviously gold just absolutely flying, no signs of stopping. You had a little bit of price trying to push it back from the monthly R1, but it's still closed bullish, held the support as well, and just carried on going. I think a lot of guys, this is a typical thing, trying to hedge an all-time high and just not getting it. So if this continues, yeah, you are going to see that motion over there. We spoke about only time I was going to think of sells is if you broke under previous daily highs, which we didn't even get close to. So the buys were on, but again, just nothing I wanted to get myself personally involved in over here. Daily R1, if it holds, you guys can be aggressive. Finally had the break. Is this when volume comes in, holding daily R1, and you still can run to the daily R2. Again, 50, 25, 92. Personally guys, then I say, you know what, psychological number, and you go 2600. First time we get there ever, obviously. But I think that definitely is on the cards if we're just looking at ranges and stuff like that now. But definitely, oh, I heard that little bugger.
Yeah, sorry, I'll give guys, I'm buying JSE.
But that is me guys. So Chris, over to you anyway, brother.
All right, so chat, I've been monitoring this this pair entire morning. Yeah, just for you guys quickly, I took a long ride here. Where's that opening range? I actually missed the trade here a little bit earlier in the session. We were busy with the podcast, but breaking below the opening range low, there we got above the 200. 80 started flipping bullish. There was a nice break and hold above that 200. And this is a little bit of a late entry here, or not a late, nothing is really ever late. Just want to put this, yo, why does the 150 look so big here? I actually just go with a 90. Yeah, just gonna go with a 90 there. Just give me 1 second, Chad. Just gonna go with a 90. I'm gonna target that weekly pivot. That is basically 140 to the upside. Where did I put mine? Oh, okay, it is basically there. Okay. Okay, yeah, Chad, sorry, that's the position. Just going to monitor this opening range high. Daily R1 needs to hold above it. We know, very simply put. If it holds above the daily R1, we can go to the daily R2, but I'm just going to go for this little low-hanging fruit here to the upside. Then the rest. Chad, I don't even know what to say about gold, but we'll get to gold now. DXY, still bearish. Beautiful, beautiful push to the downside. Never got that gap close to the upside. It is Friday. I do expect either during the session or a little bit later some type of a little bit of a reversal play. If you look on the weekly, weekly has now officially flipped bearish, or we can actually just even go and close below these support areas. If Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index comes out quite strong, I think that's going to put some selling pressure on the dollar. But for the most part, we are going to see some type of Friday pullback, maybe a little bit later in the session. Asia low is still relevant. That's the level we're going to watch. And then the daily S2. If we start breaking below the daily S2, you know we were going daily S3. There you can clearly see the theory we always teach and preach. If you can't hold above the daily S1, you're going to the daily S2. So easy as they come. US 30, beautiful here. There's that little zone from this morning. We said anything holding above here bullish, anything below bearish. We also said those equal R's were way too clean. We actually took that straight at the London Open. And now going into the session, daily R1, are we going to see some type of continuation here today? Only thing I did tell Keegs is as much as we took these equal highs to the upside, we've got these equal lows down here as well. So that's also a little bit of a concern. But we're going to see where we trade a little bit later. And then Nasdaq still within this no trade range. Told you guys anything above there bullish. Anything below here potentially bearish to go and target these daily pivot levels and daily EQ levels. So we're going to see what we do below Asia lows. Gold, Chad, I told you daily. I was referring this morning to March. I think it was March. Yes, it was March. Start of the year, I said, look at this breakout. We didn't come back to retest it. And I said, we don't have to come back even now today still. Okay. So looking for the bars. I knew we were going higher. I told you guys it could be a little bit tricky. They did play us a little bit, but that's fine. 5 minute, looking at it, the potential setups here was that monthly R1, that Asia high. We were trading around that level, and then we finally broke above it. This was basically somewhat into the comics open, if I'm not mistaken. So, Chad, this is the move that I was expecting this morning. Obviously didn't get it. So now for me going into this session, what are we going to do? I'm going to look at this daily R1. All right. I would love a strong pullback before the open. Come and hold this zone. If we get that, I'm still going to look long. I don't expect the price to now just all of a sudden reverse. I want that continuation. So we've created now a pre-market high. If we can pull back, we can retarget that. And then whatever happens here, if it starts reversing, that's fine. I'm going to take my pips and run. It's Friday. But yeah, daily R1, that's what I want to monitor. Weekly R3, I don't know. That's going to start getting sticky. We're already up $22 on the day. So that is basically the gist of it. And the cracker is telling us what...
Sell. Guys, I'm very simple. I think I've got it locked down. I approach it now. So if I get a certain thing, I'm going to fade it. Otherwise, I'll follow through with it. But I think I've got a pretty fine down now of how I approach it. So we're going to see if I figured it out or not. But guys, on a lighter note, guys, we need 12 more subs to 13K, baby. I'm sure there must be 12 of you guys there who aren't subbed. Do us a favor. Show some love. Drop a sub. Become part of the family. Become part of the chat, guys. Become part of the family.
So we're looking for sells.
Again, I don't mind them, but I do prefer the buys. So what, guys, ideal world, what I would love to see here today is if it does give us what we're looking for to take the sell, I'll take it. And then once we hit, for example, a certain level, we can fade and same as you say, then take the buy. Yeah, Peter, ideal. That would be perfect. I'd love the sell and then the buy. 12 more subs, guys. We're nearly at 13K, baby. 13K. Yeah, I don't know what it's been, guys, but the growth on this channel lately it's just been crazy. It really has been crazy. If you sub, it's an instant TP. There we go, Chris. You know where it's at, bro. You know where it's at. Manipulation down and distribute up. We've been accumulating all day. Gonna see the AMD play out. 100% Fobs. You know exactly there, bro. Donver is dead, so they all came over here. Bro, we'll take them. The little Don fam, guys. Even if your mentor blew up, we will take you in. We will look after you. We will nurture you. Keys and Chris, massive props. 12K was like yesterday, bro. That's what I say, guys. The growth, last, I'd even say the last 2 months has honestly been insane. We truly are so grateful and appreciative for it. And we feel the love, guys. We really do. We were talking about it today where you get the mentors who they get to the time where they feel they're bigger than the community. They don't show that respect to their communities. They don't show that love back to the communities. And it's not the same. Where it's, guys, I know it's a cliche thing, but we're talking about at the end of the day, we wouldn't be here without you guys. The community wouldn't be what it is without you guys. So Chris and myself even made a little vow today that we said, no matter when that day comes, that we are big, and we truly are big. It will still be the same. We will rock up on time for stream. We will be, you treat everyone the same. It's a family out here.
What do you think about Raja's strategy? Is it legit? Dude, it's the weirdest little strat. It's basically almost just like a type of range breakout strategy. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I don't think if you've got a way to use it, nothing wrong with it. I just think it's way overpriced. It's something you can put in a 5-minute video. But he's obviously made it this thing which is not. So rather save your money. It's literally just a little range break strategy. So don't waste your money, please. Please don't waste your money on it.
Oh damn, bro, we have to still put the video out. Let me do it quickly. Get the community back. Where's a little video here? Where's link? Sorry guys, I'm just obviously posting the story quickly that we live. I swear some of these songs, it's like I know them, but I don't know them that well that I know the words of the songs yet.
Good. And again, guys, some people were messaging me, and I don't have anything against Raja. It's just a case of misrepresentation. I told you guys. It is just a case of just do the truth. If you ask me, if I show you something and I said, guys, I made 50,000%, and it's on my own broker, and somebody says, but how do you trade on your own broker? You can't trade with your own broker. Then just answer the question and just say, dude, it's actually just a demo. But do you have your horn?
I've got my horn, brother. Cam, appreciate the little donor there. Nasdaq making the shape on 50-minute and retested.
Wait, there we go. All right, what are we doing here? So we're looking for cells. That is pretty...
Almost time for the fastest TP record to be broken again. We ready for it.
So you're going for the cells?
Bro, as I said, I've got... You know what I'm going to look for? The wave, I'm going to fade it. If I don't get that, I'm sticking to it, bro.
Okay, so we're taking literally, if this breaks now in 20 seconds, let me just get... Oh, okay, here we go, boys.
Alright. Alright,
7
guys.
seconds. Will we get it?
Still another minute, bro.
Oh, damn. Dude, I almost executed here. Sheesh. Dude, I almost executed cells right
The market's not even open yet, and this man's going to execute.
Damn, Chad, I thought... Okay, but the horn threw me off. That was for the dono. That was for the Dansky. Oh, damn. Okay, this now... The cells.
I'm just saying, guys, you know from the start. Again, we don't catch a falling knife.
We throw for.
I'll carry on throwing knives.
Oh, we're not.
If this thing carries on, I'm just jumping on with it, bro. And we gotta just ride it out.
It's actually at a beautiful spot to. Because if you. Oh, this is gonna get sticky, icky.
Alright, chat, for the last time this week, markets are open, baby. Round 10. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. As you guys know, we are looking for cells, ladies and gents. We are looking for cells.
Just bro, my shoulders and a little bit of a spasm.
Are you ready for the cells, brother?
We're already on Euros, my bros, so we have to. Euros is usually pretty late in the session.
Alright, so we're seeing NASDAQ go up. Oh. Okay, we're not in yet, Chad. We are not in yet. What is this thing gonna do? If this thing is rocketing, bro.
You're buying. If it closes like this, will you sell it?
I'll sell it there.
And
I'll sell it, yeah.
and that last one?
No, then I'm buying.
Okay.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying. If you get that punch, then I'll...
Okay, but the punch is actually what we've talked about the fade though.
Yeah, but not when it punches like 10 meters past me.
So what are you saying? Yeah, we're still selling, eh?
We might get clapped here, bro, but we...
So what are we saying?
Are we selling, bro?
We've got 2 seconds.
Do we buy?
I sold. I sold.
I didn't, bro. It jumped. I'm literally not in here, guys. That literally, I wasn't watching the time, and that I promise you guys, that was just a saving grace right now.
Chad, let me just get my chart on here. I might get clapped quick here. I sold. Yeah, I sold there. I'll bring my chart on now. I'm just taking it mechanically.
Yeah, bro. Okay, guys, I 100%. I'm only saved there because I wasn't watching the time. Like this, yeah.
Yeah, I'm almost out. Wait, so not even.
What do you mean buy now and still get clapped as well?
Wait, let me just go split screen here.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna take the bar because I think punched.
Okay,
Do you want to take the bar, bro?
I'm in the cells already.
Bro, I'm just doing it. Something's just telling me take the bar because it punched. Jay, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Maybe me and Chris are both gonna get clapped yet today. Who knows?
Basically, entries there. Okay, let's see. I'm bullish on the day though, but yeah, the cracker giving us the sell.
Yeah, so this thing slipped me murtu, bro. My entry's on the flippin' wick. Yeah, guys, as I said, 100% I'm going again. I'm following the rule now if it punches. But again, I should have been in that cell. I literally wasn't paying attention, guys, so please just keep that in mind. So if I win, yeah, I got lucky.
No, I'll take it mechanically now. If I get stopped, Chad, then we've got the opening range trade that I'll take. But the cracker just basically for data. I'll take it as it is.
No, yours was the right call. Like I say, if this hits a TP for me, bro, I got lucky. There's no way around that. Are you still in?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, bro, watch. If we both get clear smacked, yeah.
The only thing, Chad, that I would say though is that we need to close back below this area here. Otherwise, I might just kill the trade. So I'll give it, say, maybe one more candle after this. But if we cannot break back inside here, this thing is gonna move. So this is the level I'm monitoring there. We gotta get a candle closure below here.
I'm even gonna take another one, bro. And it slipped me again. Are you joking?
Okay, here we go. This is where we're gonna get potentially clapped. There's that zone, so it can really go much higher from here if we don't start trading below there. And then I'm just gonna wait for, if I get clapped here on the cracker, we're gonna wait for our opening range play. Let's one into all this daily R1. Let's see. Interesting. Yeah,
bro,
first retest.
I think I'm gonna get clapped. I think you've actually got this.
No, I don't think so. If we hold this daily R1, this is gonna be a trending day. It's gonna be a trending day if we hold this daily R1. So we gotta, Chad, I'm honest, we're gonna have to punch this level. If we don't punch this level, I might just kill it and then just wait for the opening range level. Let's check here.
Nah, I still think it's I actually, bro, the cells are looking better for it for me.
Okay, we need to hold below here, then I think we should be good. Asia has not tested, so there's
I closed the brown out. That's it.
Okay, that 200 test is going to be the next tricky one. Let's see if we can get that 200 test. Once we tap that 200, I'm also going to go break even, chat. So once we tap it, John needs to go for that 200. All right, chat. Let's see. Let's see. What is gold doing? Okay, gold is not at our zone. Nasdaq. Hey, there, Nasdaq's going for that key zone. Okay, US30. Okay, just punched that 200. I just want to see a taste on the 200, chat. Once we tap the 200, I'm going break even. Win or lose, we still have the opening range trade. I just want to see a tap.
Where is your opening range?
It's still being established. We've got about 7 minutes left, but currently that's the low, and that's the high up there. But you check left there, Keegs.
Left.
The cracker.
What am I looking at?
Look at the cracker level there. That cracker level there is holding, and you've seen what it does if it holds that level.
To the left.
Oh, sorry, man. Just check your. I'm talking. I've got the cracker on the left.
Oh, that's not
But yeah. Check the. You see what I'm saying? So if we can't get below this level, Chad, we in somewhat trouble. Then it's going to go back to those highs again. So we need to close below this level.
Nah, Brian, that's correct, bro. It's on a different account.
Yeah, Chad, we gotta break this level. If we can't break this level, trouble for us.
Bro, I think that thing's going, eh? Nah, I think you got it right, bro. So the cracker was right.
Not yet, though, bro. Not yet. Chad, I'm gonna go break even purely because I'm actually bullish on the day. I'm gonna go break even. I'll rather wait for the opening range break trade. We've got Michigan consumer. I'm break even. There's that test on the 200. We said that's where we're going to go break even. This is also where price can now start launching back to the upside. Okay.
Higher time frame looking like. Retest. Bro, gold's still going.
Dude, gold is a menace. And this is the move this morning. I thought we are gonna get that nice blitz to the upside. Okay, we're currently holding this 200 chat, so I literally just want a taste of Asia highs, then we can come back up here. Just give us that TP and finish us. Finish us. Stalling a bit here. Yeah. Yo, dude, this 200. Chad, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. We've got the sell. Okay, the sell is break even. But if we get a 1 minute that closes something like this, I'm actually going to take a long. And as soon as the sell gets hit with break even, I'll move this buy to break even as well. Because this 200 is holding. And there's a zone on the left that I'm looking at. So if we close bullish here, then it's very likely we're actually going to have a trending day. Yeah, it's not getting that 200, dude. Yeah, I don't even think if there's a bullish candle we will get a chance to enter, but let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think we'll get that chance, Chad. We're gonna have to wait for that opening range break play.
Didn't you? Wait, where did you want to take the buy from?
I want to take the buy if we get a candle break above that level, because then this bearish order flow is done. But also you see that test on the cracker. If it holds that, yeah, we need to get some names for the levels, but let's call it the cookie level. This little zone here, Chad, if it holds that zone, can go higher, but let's see.
Nah, bro, I think you've got it there, bro. This thing is dry for you.
No, it's holding at 200. No, it's gonna go bullish, dude. It's a super bullish day. Yeah, Chad, we'll see where this 1 minute closes, but I'm not going to take the buy here. We're already so close to break even. But yeah, I think once break even gets hit, we're going to start monitoring daily R1, and then we're going to start monitoring that opening range high, because then I think we're going for daily R2. Could be like a positive 1% day here on US 30. Alright, break even has been hit, Chad. So we're going to wait for that opening range. There's 200 holding, and then also the cracker level here that I talked about holding. It's very, very likely we're going to see a very strong trending day here. And then also this daily R1. I think once we get through this daily R1, I might even start looking for buys above here. And then we'll start targeting those opening range highs, and that's where we can potentially scale in with more positions here.
Yeah, I think, like you said, if this thing gets above the daily R1, I think
no, it's gone. Chad, because if you think about it, I'm just going to delete this quick. If you look on the daily, where we can go back to those previous all-time highs. And also if you look left here, we are basically now trading above this previous zone we marked out. So from here, it's an easy sweep to go to the upside now. So
well, there's daily R1 now.
So that's why I still like the buy idea. I don't want to necessarily sell here today. We took the sell. Like I said, I was happy to take a stop. But the buy was always the play. So I think we got a little bit lucky with that sell, giving us the opportunity to actually go break even. Okay, that is the opening range established, Chad. So let's see if we can get a nice test on the daily R1. Let's see if we can get a nice test on that daily R1. Dollar doing okay, dollars grinding back. Okay. Our gold daily R1, that's the one we're gonna monitor there, and then US 30. SA40 trade just got stopped. Sorry, Chad, I didn't show you guys that one. SA40 trade got stopped. I was looking for re-entries there, but a little bit less than half my usual risk. So still have alerts there, but a little bit of a chop here as markets open up. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
So you waiting for that opening range now, eh?
Yeah, so ideally the ideal buy would have been from the daily R1 and then target the opening range high. But now if we can hold here, closures above, and then if we can retest and a minor break of structure, that's where I'm going to enter.
Okay, I'm with you.
And then we can our target's going to be daily R2. So let's see a chat. Okay, beautiful. Let's go. Nice little retest. Okay, let's check weekly R3.
This thing is fucking off. Sorry for my English, guys, but yes, yes. Holy crap. Well, I mean, we said the bars could happen.
I like the bars. Nasdaq now at that zone chart. Previous daily high, Asia highs. Needs to hold above this level if it's going to continue higher. Gold, I'm happy to miss it if we don't come back to the daily R1. But if we can get something here on 25.80, I might take a little aggressive entry there. Other than that, if it's gone, it's gone. Michigan coming out in 10 minutes. Alright. Okay.
Just as that thing is moving, bro.
If Michigan can give us that drop and that retest, I think we can get into something here.
Lead the way for us, Chris. Keegs, you should have held that yet, bro. Yeah, if only, guys, if only. But the thing for me, guys, is like holding is nice and all, but I mean, okay, I had 60, 70, 80. I would have had to basically hold another 30 pips.
Drawdown. Okay,
drawdown.
Here we go, Chad. Here we go. Okay, it's business time now. Opening range R has been tapped. Now all we want to see is a minor break of structure. What is this range here?
So if 34. This holds, are you going to go for the continuation?
Yeah, so I just want a minor break of structure, something like this. Once we get a nice minor break of structure there, then we are good to go.
How much? This thing's taking off. Okay, well for me, bro, the thing is that's already at my level now. I was watching.
Yeah, the only thing I don't necessarily like is that we didn't retest the R1, but we just broke through it cleanly. So next target, daily R2. So there's quite a bit of range. We've got 90 points to the upside. 90 points to the upside from where we it's 0.26. Yeah, we're not even 1% up on the day. So
Kyle, the secret, bro, is when the market goes up, you buy, and when it goes down, you sell.
It's easy. It's math,
bro. I promise you that's the golden nugget to trading.
It's simple math.
I don't know why these furus don't get it, bro. Just do the opposite they say. Bro, I promise you, we were even saying we're going to create a whole literal news trading event. And the whole strategy is just you do the opposite of what the furus do. So we need people like Joe Ash so we can fade him.
Okay, Carl, just unsubscribe. Carl, just subscribe it again, dude. And then do this. Chad, beautiful. I just need a bullish candle breaking structure.
We are one away, guys.
Two things, Chad. Either a bullish candle that's going to break structure or a 1 minute candle that takes a previous 1 minute candle low and engulfs the body. If not any one of those, break of structure. We need it. And then it is pretty simple with where we're going.
Come on, Chad. Just one of you. One of you just need to kick that subscribe button.
Stream gone.
Huh?
Somebody said stream is gone.
No, it had like like bugged out a little bit, but it's fine now. Stream's still there.
Chad, how's the lag now? Let me know if the lag is better.
That's a bad time to ask. We like just lagged out.
No, but before that, how was it? Was it alright?
Bro, how? You know, it's always something that like bothers me when you got to get this. Hey, Chad, we hit 13k, baby. 13k subscribers.
Sheesh. Here we go. 13k.
Chris, you need to deliver a TP for us now, brother.
I will. Guys, we are not selling gold. That's all I'm saying. We are not selling gold. Okay, here we go. Just need to break that, and we are in here, boys. We are in daily R2. What fun is it not trading into a Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index print? That is, real men do that. Real men trade into big fundamental news events.
13k, guys.
No break of structure yet, so no trade as of yet.
Just because of that, guys, I promise you, Chris is going to give you a massive trade here right now. Chris, do your job, bro. Come on.
Give us a double bottom with a bull flag into a pennant structure. We are going for the pennant / pterodactyl pattern. Here we go, Chad. You guys think these patterns don't work? This is the pterodactyl pattern. You've seen it many, many times. Into a B, C, D, E, F. Into an inverse fair value gap and a liquidity sweep. Alright, Chad, 20 seconds. If we close above here, we are shooting for it. And then we've got 3 minutes for MCSI. So may the best gambler win.
Bro, gold's also busy playing there again for you. It's ready for you to go try buy it again, bro.
3, 2, 1. Go. What?
Did you?
Chad, you see that? You see XNES scam. Scam, bro.
We know this, bro. You can't.
No, let me check on the other, bro. Yeah, they already missed. Fuck. Okay, wait.
That is the saddest sound as a trader, guys. That noise.
So, yeah, just to tell you guys, XNES actually prohibits. You can't even open a position. That was like the...
Yeah, so they don't open like their margins and stuff.
They just prohibit you.
Yeah,
you can't.
You're not allowed to
you
trade
can't
these.
even trade it. Okay, contract size is 1 there.
He's over leveraging.
Okay. Okay, I took the bar chat. Sorry. Is it still on my screen? Okay, I got in with another broker, other broker account. 60 points. There we go. There's that minor break of structure. We've got 3 minutes left. We're going for that daily R2 simple 90 points. And isn't on my screen the flip? There's so many things on here. Yeah, XNES. I don't know even why they send you a little premier client shit when you can't even trade a news event. Not even over leveraging. But anyways. Yeah. That's how they scam. Remember that last time when I was trying to sell after the event? 5 minutes after the event, still couldn't open up a position.
Hey, damn. You know the news is literally 1 minute, right?
Yeah, I know. So it can either kablow or it can go.
Live news trading with the market bull.
Chad, 1 minute, baby. 1 minute.
Jake's number 180 for X.
Nah, Jakes, they scam, bro. They should just say, listen, yeah. Hey, dude, that, yeah, I don't know.
Yo, bro, I'm nervous for you for this trade entry night before.
Okay, I can actually just close my XNES terminal. Alrighty, Chad, here we go. I've never traded.
Bring it home. Bring it home, Chris, for the 13k subs out there.
Chad, that is the position. We've got 20 seconds. I'm just going to bring the music down a bit so you can get Martin Brundle on your...
Where's Martin? Martin, we need you. 8 seconds.
Okay.
So that's 69 on the headline. That's above the expected
Profits,
68.5.
bro.
Conditions
TP.
62.9, above the expected
Now it turned
61.5, and
around.
expectations 73, above the expected 71. For 1 year inflation expectations, they were 2.7%, and for the 5 year, 3.1%.
All right. MCSI gonna 69 out, Chad. 69 and out, baby.
And just going over that data again, so for the headline, that was 69, so that was a bigger rise than that was expected, so it did come above that expected 68.5. For conditions, again, a bigger rise than expected, 262.9, above the expected 61.5, and expectations actually rose to 73 after it was expected to fall to 71. And for the 1 year inflation expectations, they were 2.7%, and for the 5 year, 3.1%.
All right. Did we just get kissed and going a
Right,
little?
literally retested the daily R1 and then turned around.
Did we just get a little kiss here, Chad? A little kiss and go, yeah.
Yeah, bro. So that literally tested, like, wicked perfectly the daily R1 and then just turned.
Alrighty, Chad. One break even, one little kiss of death here. But I'm still going to look for one more buy, Chad. If we can hold the opening range high, that's going to be the final bullet. Then Michigan print, obviously very solid, 69. So that is solid for me. Let me just bring the music back up. Martin Brundle giving us the scoop there. That'll be the last position. Would I sell if we break back below into it? I don't think we will.
What's that now?
No. So the fake out plays if we break above the opening range high and we come back inside. So if we come back inside now and we retest the backside, then you can target the opening range low down here. But I still like the buy though, so I'm gonna try and wait for that buy, see if we can get basically another little retest here, mine a little bit of structure here, something like that, and then we'll see where we are. Alright, Chad, also gold back at that zone, so let's see everything turning around here. So we're going to check what gold is going to do in the next couple of minutes here. And then US 30, got to see what we can get here. What is the 5 doing? I was on the hour. Okay. 5 also. Chad, actually on the 5, I'm taking one last buy here. Actually executed already.
You go already?
Yeah, so when we did the back testing last night, the 5-minute structure is basically a fractal of the 1 minute. And on the 5, there was your breakout, your retest, your hold, and there was your minor break of structure there. So last bullet here, Chad. Last little bullet for the Friday.
Well, I mean, this thing really is still holding your open range.
Yes, so on the 5-minute, this is where you would have executed there. You would have gotten clapped either way because your stop would have been actually a little bit shallower. So just set my TP real quick here. Okay, TP has been set, so let's see what this 5 minutes is going to do.
I hate to break it to you, bro, but I don't know if this thing's going back up.
Just needs to hold this opening range high, and then Chad, I think we are golden nuggets. Alrighty, 15 seconds. Just need to hold above this opening range high. And then we need to see that next candle drive. Okay, what's gold doing? Okay, gold holding that daily R1 zone. Not really giving us an opportunity to enter here, Chad. Still a bearish candle, so we can go and fill that wick. Let's check here. Last little kiss of that opening range high. If we can't drive now, then we are coming all the way back inside here.
So my thing is, so if it breaks back in the opening range, would you then look for the sells? Because then where does it? I basically tell you it's going then.
So the opening range is like the Asia range. So if it breaks out and it holds outside of it, then you go for your next extension target, which is the daily R2. But if it breaks back in and you get chat still in, wait, almost out, this thing out. Okay. If this thing breaks back in and it retests the backside of it and it then breaks low, then you target your opening range low because that's where the liquidity is sitting.
Okay.
So it's very almost like our Asia range. This is the opening, the dealing range where they either fake out or they continue.
All right.
So, but I don't necessarily like the shorts here today. I'm not, I'm not the one that's going to look for shorts here. I think the only way that I will really look for shorts, gigs, is, and I think you're the same, is if we start trading below the Asia highs. Because then we're below the 200, we're below the cracker level, but yeah. No more trades for me.
Then it's like game on.
And gold, yeah, that candle still closed bearish. What it is? No, it's not holding that daily R1.
I think it's gonna go back for that cracker level.
I think if you look left, if we do something like this now, it's definitely going there.
Yeah.
Okay, gold going for that wick fall. Also, it's Friday afternoon. Dude, I like the longs, but yeah. Got burned on the idea. How much did this give me? 40. Oh, you're still looking for something?
I'd probably only take something if it got to the cracker level, bro. I probably won't take anything other than that.
Yeah, it's weird that it's not actually weird because there is the test now. What is Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq. Yeah, check Nasdaq. Also, we haven't retested that Asia high in previous daily. I don't know. Wasn't really mixed data, the 3.1. What is Fed Futures doing? Yeah, now Fed Futures are at 50-50, so Fed Futures back to 50-50, Chad.
Yeah, that's interesting now.
So CPI didn't really give us a picture then.
Nope.
Everyone's like, oh, CPI is going to paint a picture. And it's like, nope, CPI is not going to paint any pictures for you guys. So holding that initial US 30 buy, no stop loss Friday. Hey, bro, that is... I still think it's going to be a 0.5. Peter, a 0.5 is going to... 0.5 is going to spook the market. 0.5 is going to absolutely wreck equities.
Hey, bro. Are you still looking for something?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take it off stream so I can full point. Now, Chad, in all honesty, I'm gonna give this trade one more idea. If we off stream, all I'm looking for is if we hold the opening range high here, we get a minor break of structure. We've got this news high to target. That's most probably where I'll go break even. Daily R1 has been tested now, so we held above it. So I am very bullish on the day. I told you guys I'm super bullish with where everything is going. So if we get this off stream, I don't want to keep you guys here on a Friday, but the idea is very simple. Just a little continuation play from these lows. This is the pullback we had. This was our only concern while we were trading above the opening range high, was this daily R1. But I told you guys I'm super bullish on the day. Gold, I don't think I'll necessarily trade here because it's just way too volatile. But if we get this, I'll take it. If we don't get it, that's a session. But you guys would know that from the daily R1 level, we're looking for that daily R2. So seems highly unlikely we'll get it, but if we do get it. But yeah, that's me for the session.
Yeah, that's me, guys. I don't think I'm gonna get back involved in this thing. There's one area I'd take it, and it's like getting close to that. Okay. Yeah, I think it's Friday,
Cheeks
guys.
getting clapped.
Bro, it's a good thing we had the wins yesterday. It is
Chad,
a good thing for those
Friday the 13th, cheeks are getting clapped, and it's the wrong cheeks. So
wins. Yeah, guys, good thing we had a very good day yesterday. But yeah, that's going to be everything from us, I think, guys. It is the weekend. Enjoy the weekend. Rest up. Take it easy. Let's bring it back next week, guys. It's rate cut week. So I think we are going to get a lot of volume in the markets next week. So make sure you guys are there for it. But Chris, any closing remarks, brother?
plot twist, no rate cut, rate hike, market breaks in one day, 7% down. I'm kidding. No, Chad, I think it was a good week. Data coming out relatively as expected, not getting the moves as expected, moves coming a day late. But again, now Fed futures back to 50-50 is going to make it so much difficult for us going into the new week. But I do think nerves are going to settle in the market once we've got that first rate cut, irrespective 50 or 25. I still think the reaction is not going to be bullish on a 50 basis point cut, because it shows that the Fed is concerned that they are behind the curve and that they're not front loading the cuts and that they are actually panicking. So remember also in the week, Basel III, that regulation changes with the banks. So I think if the Fed start considering that, that's going to put some pressure on financials, and that's just going to cipher through the rest of the markets. But other than that, Chad, it's been a week. We'll see you guys on Monday.
Yeah.
Same place, same time, baby.
As always, guys, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah. keep you